Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to highlight a really spectacular hydrangea called Little Lime Punch. We've been growing this one in our garden for the past couple of years, and there are several things that I love about this plant. Number one are the colors that the blooms offer throughout the gardening season. So the blooms start off as chartreuse green, and then as the season progresses, so do the colors from the base of the bloom up toward the tip. They'll start turning a creamy white and then a brighter white, shades of pink, all the way to a rich Hawaiian punch red, which I think is where the name comes from. And because they're throwing out blooms from early on in the season all the way until the very end of summer, you're going to see all kinds of different colors on this plant at almost any given time in the growing season. The second thing I love is the size this plant reaches. A little bit more compact than other varieties, 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. Easy to tuck into the landscape. Third thing, they are a type of panicle hydrangea, which in our experience, they are the toughest to handle so many different things. High heat, extreme winds, they bloom on new wood. So if you live in an area with heavy snow loads where branches might break, or if you have deer grazing, they will still produce blooms for you every single season. And lastly, they are a zone 3 through 8, incredibly winter hardy, tough hydrangea. It's such a beautiful hydrangea. If you have a chance to put one in your garden, I definitely give it a try. We've really enjoyed ours. Visit one of your local Reston Farms Garden Markets for all of your proven winners plant needs.